Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well. Today I am going to guide you how you can change your default password for the admin user, which we always use to access first time or the any time using our admin user and the password. By default, admin user is the admin and the password for the user is also admin. So what we have to do, we have to access our server CLI, right? And we have to run some commands. Oh, go to your browser and just type wazoo admin password change. The first link appear here. You have to go with this URL password management, and you can read all the instructions and guidance using this URL. This is our part. The password tool is embedded in Wazoo Indexer. Under this, you can use the embedded version or download it with the following command. So we have it. Let's check if we have it or not. Wazoo password tool, or we can download it. I have the Wazoo of 4.5, so I'm going to change it to that version and run this command to download it. Okay, the tool has been successfully downloaded. You can read this thoroughly if you have any confusion. Now what we are going to do is changing the password for single user. To change the password for a single Wazoo indexer user, run the script with the dash u option and indicate the new password with the option -p. The password must be admin length between 8 and 64 characters and contain at least one uppercase letter, one lowercase letter, a number, and one of the following symbols. If no password is specified, the script will be generated on random. So I am going to use the password like the way password at the rate 123. I have used one uppercase letter, one lowercase letter, a special character, and the number as well. Now I am going to run this command in my CLI. It will take a bit time. The password must have a length between and at least contain a number and a symbol from these. Okay, let's just type dot in the end. Let's see. Yeah, now it is generating password hash for the admin user. Okay, if you read password change, remember to update the password in Wazoo dashboard and Filebeat nodes if necessary, and restart the service. I am just going to restart all these services one by one. First, I am going to restart Wazoo Indexer, then I will restart Wazoo Manager, and then I will restart Wazoo dashboard. Before dashboard, I am going to restart Filebeat as well. All these services take a bit time to get restarted depending on your Wazoo server configurations and the monitoring of the servers endpoints and the host. So this is the fresh installation, and I have the minimal resources, that's why it will take time as well. After the restart of service, you can check either the services has been started successfully or not. I am going to do the next. Let's this restart gets completed. Yeah, it completed. You have to replace status with the restart. It will show you that it is active and running. Now we are going to do the same for Wazoo Manager. It is active and running. Now we are going to restart Filebeat. It has been started successfully, and check it is running or not. Yeah, it is active and running. Now I am going to restart Wazoo dashboard in the end. Okay, it has been restarted successfully and it is currently running and active. Now we are going to go to our dashboard GUI, and it will take a bit time to get Wazoo dashboard ready, and it has been ready successfully. Now I am going to type the new password, or I can do this way, that for the confirmation purpose, and click on login button. These are the simple steps that you can change your admin password using Wazoo Server CL. I hope you guys understood the scenario and instruction very well. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with your friends, colleagues and students. Until then, stay blessed, stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.